Hey guys, it's Kara with Mark and Kara's Adventures. Today we are going to be making breakfast sandwiches for a freezer meal. First, you want to start by frying your sausage patties. We will also need eggs, cheese, and English muffins. Go ahead and crack 6 eggs in a bowl. Add some salt and pepper, a splash of milk, and whisk it together good with a fork. And then we'll go ahead and check on our sausage. As long as they are completely cooked, you can go ahead and remove those from the stove. And then I'm going to use the same pan that the sausage were in to fry my eggs. So you can go ahead and melt some butter. And then I use mason jar rings for my eggs. You can fry your eggs however you want. Add some butter to the English muffins. And then you can go ahead and make your sandwiches. Now you want to wrap each of your sandwiches individually. And I'm not going to waste the foil that I used to prep my sandwiches. So go ahead and wrap your last one with the foil that you used to prep. And then you just can mark them whatever you want. Place them in a freezer bag. Throw them in the freezer. And once you're ready to eat, you can go ahead and take one out, unwrap it from the foil, and throw it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.